exoplanets, potentially habitable worlds, and this one, the closest exoplanet to our little speck of dust in the universe, Proxima Centauri B. A mysterious rock full of rocks and bigger rocks and maybe not rocks, aka alien life. Yeah, it's true I've died on every exoplanet I visited, but this time will be different.
Your death count is well above average.
Yeah, but Proxima Centauri B has to work out. It's gonna work out. It's literally so close to Earth that I could DoorDash my tuna pizza order, like regular. Plus, the whole system is moving closer to Earth, so in 30,000 years, this whole thing is gonna be 3 light years away. And if that wasn't cool enough, a few thousand years after that, HH Andromedae will join the party and become the new closest star to Earth. Finally, we can get that interstellar block party going.
HH Andromedae will be unable to host life. It has no planets.
Why do you have to be such a bummer all the time?
Calculating travel time to Proxima Centauri B. 165,000 years at maximum conventional velocity.
Well, let's go faster than maximum. Let's go ludicrous speed.
That is not a speed defined in relation to the International Astronomical.
Look, we're almost there. You can see all 3 stars from here. Proxima Centauri B is where we're headed. It's the coolest little buddy to its star, Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is also part of the Alpha Centauri system, which has 3 stars. Trinary. 3-peat. There's Alpha Centauri A and B. Those orbit quite close to each other. And there's Proxima Centauri. So that orbit's much further away, but they're all gravitationally bound together. It's kind of like how Rico and I are 2 peas in a pod. We're just really close and cool guys together.
Computers have no loyalties or emotional affiliations.
Wow, Rico, ouch. Whatever, man, just initiate landing on Proxima Centauri B. Alright. Oh man, this is sweet. Proxima Centauri B is also in that sweet spot near its star, known as the habitable zone. So, we're completely safe to take our helmets off, people.
Planets residing in the habitable zone are not necessarily habitable.
Yeah, just because it's in the habitable zone doesn't mean it's habitable, and just because I die on a planet doesn't mean it's not Keep up, people. Proxima Centauri B. God, I'm sick of saying that whole thing. From now on, we're calling this place Proxy B. Okay, so Proxy B's host star is a red dwarf. Very different than Earth's sun. See, red dwarfs are smaller and cooler, which you would probably think means they're basically dead. Wrong. This star is so efficient, it's gonna live for trillions of years, unlike Earth's sun, which has a best before date in like the billions. Oh yeah. In 5 billion years, when all these little Earthlings die off because of an apocalyptic sun explosion, I'll be up here chilling like a villain for another 4 trillion years. Yeah. We will, however, have to figure out energy production if we're gonna colonize this rock haven. See, Proxy B's sun is only about 0.1% the brightness of your sun back at home. So to get the equivalent energy, Proxy B's orbit has to be like way too close for comfort if it wants to host life.
Warning. Proximity to Proxima Centauri is unsafe for human habitation due to the presence of...
Don't tell me. The solar flares? I always forget about the solar flares.
Correct. Solar flares from Proxima Centauri are violent and unpredictable. Radiation so extreme, any atmosphere has likely been burned away.
No! Why? No! Why does everything always have to have a downside? No! Oh, why can't life just be good for once? Stupid ultraviolet burst from the stupid red star strips stupid electrons from the stupid atmosphere. After all the electrons go, then that drags the positive ions too. Electron, proton, gone. Then what's left? Atmospheric desolation?
That is a possible circumstance.
Well, if that's true, this might not be that habitable after all. Rico, let's get an atmospheric reading.
Sampling. Calculating. Thin atmosphere detected. Trace amounts of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen.
All right, well, let's explore a little, see if we can find some water, maybe a place to build a shelter. I can still turn this rock into a home. Hey, shouldn't the sun have, moved in the sky since we got here?
Negative. Proxima Centauri B is currently tidally locked with Proxima Centauri.
First of all, Rico, we refer to it as Proxy B now. And second of all, what does that even mean? There's oceans here or something?
Negative. Tidal locking is when the rotational speed of the planet matches its orbital period, forever keeping one half of the planet in light and one half in darkness.
Well, that's pretty dramatic, right? I have to choose my spot carefully. Do I want to be a lecherous creature of the night or a wholesome daytime guy? All year round seasonal depression or chronic sunburn? Partied up rave style or read a book sometimes? Tough one. Oh man, this is tough. Oh, I know. I'll live in the Terminator zone. The Terminator zone, for the uninitiated, is the thin band of half-light where the transition of day to night is. Earth's Terminator zone was the governor of California. It's constantly moving as the Earth rotates. That's twilight. That haze where the sun is gone, but it's still bright out. It should have a more moderate temperature and easy access to both sides of the planet. It may also be where I can find water, and don't even get me started on the fact that the Terminator zone is the most habitable place on this whole planet. It just doesn't make sense. Terminator zone. Hasta la vista, baby. Who is your daddy, and what does he do? Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper!
Arrived at the Terminator zone.
Okay, it's great here. The mood lighting is on point. Man, Earth's Terminator is like 60 kilometers. This one, okay, yeah, it's small, but still good enough to build my shelter. All right, let's get to work. I'm making all of this radiation proof, with the amount of UV this guy's blasting off, we have to insulate everything. I'll let you guys in on a little secret. I planned ahead. See, I kind of knew before what the atmosphere of this place was going to be like. How, you might want to know, that I'll never reveal.
The process for determining atmospheric content from distant exoplanets is called transit spectroscopy.
Rico! Just spoil the magic, why don't you? Fine. Okay, see, telescope nerds can figure out the atmospheric composition of a planet by looking at the change in light from the star as that planet crosses in front of it. So, yeah, I checked out the report and planned ahead, so sue me.
Proxima Centauri B does not transit its star in a way that can be studied from Earth.
What? You're telling me that Reddit thread I read has lies in it? People would just do that? Go on the internet and tell lies? Why?
Current temperature reading, 30 degrees Celsius.
Oh man, this is hard work. I'm getting really hot in here. I'm gonna take a quick trip over to the night zone, cool off a little bit, have myself a little cocktail, see if there's any space ladies over there. Okay, well, I cooled off. I don't know where I am. It's super dark over here, and I can't see, anything. Rico, can you direct me back to the Terminator zone, please?
The Terminator zone is 5 kilometers north.
Okay, which way is north, Rico? I can't see anything. Which way is north, Rico? I don't have a map. I can't see anything. There's no rocks. There's no sun. Which way is north, Rico? You know, I'm gonna reprogram you when I get back to the spaceship, and I'm gonna make you not such a loser. You know what Rico probably stands for? Really annoying. Help? Anyone? Rico? Alright guys, get in the comments. Figure out which way is north, okay? I can tell you that this way isn't north, so help! Okay.
Continue forward.
I feel
Left.
like I'm going downhill, maybe?
Your other left.
Or,
Your other left.
Oh god, I made it. Oh, I thought I was doomed back there, stuck to wander in some sick cosmic purgatory for all my life. I need to take some sort of daytime mental health break. Rico, get me my relaxing chair. Oh, that's beautiful. I knew leaving the Terminator zone was a mistake. I didn't even find any hot alien singles in my local area. Such a scam. And now I have a recurring bill of $29.99 a month. Ugh. You know, I have to admit though, those are some real handsome bones. Is that something I should include in my space dating account? So, Proxima B wasn't all it's cracked up to be. Sure, it had an atmosphere, and I built almost 10% of a shelter, but who wants to be that close to a star? I don't want to be living next to a nuclear explosion every 15 seconds. So, yeah, I died in this episode, completely unexpectedly, basically a 1 in a million chance that would even happen. But let me tell you guys, next episode, I for sure survive. It's so for sure that my lawyers have given me the go-ahead to promise you a free Ferrari if that doesn't happen. Yeah, so subscribe to get rich quick. # not a scam.